if you are buying a tricycle and then you need a very big carriage like this, we can install it for you. You know, some of the tricycles with the high engine capacities like 200cc or 250cc or 300cc need to be installed with a very big carriage basket like this. And so we have various sizes. We have 1.2 by 8, 2 meters by 1.8 or 1 meter by 2 and all that. So depending on the size of the carriage that you want, we can install it for you. And beside that, when we are shipping or when we are packaging for you, we package in a wooden box like this. These are some of the tricycles packaged ready for shipping. So we package it like this to protect the machine from being broke along the way of shipping to your country. So your machines are secured and then there is no problem with respect to quality issue. And besides that, if you have any issue, regardless whatever it is, when you call us, our teams are always ready to help you resolve it. That is comprehensive after sales service support to all our customers. So call us and let's give you best tricycle.